Hi there, Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival 中秋节 is right around the corner. It happens on the day of full moon, every August 15th on Chinese lunar calendar. I'm sure that some of you guys have tried Chinese mooncakes, but have you heard of legends behind it? One of the legend stories goes like this. A long time ago, there were 10 suns in the sky. The suns burned all the plants on earth. People were dying. One day, one archer named Hou Yi used his bow and arrows to shoot down 9 of them. All the people on earth were saved. Later, Hou Yi married a beautiful and kind-hearted woman named Chang'e, and they lived a happy life. One day, the Queen Mother of the West gave Hou Yi a bottle of elixir that could make him immortal, but the elixir was only for one person. Although Hou Yi did want to become immortal, he wanted to stay with his wife. Therefore, he didn't take the elixir, and instead he asked his wife to keep it safe for him in a house. Hou Yi became more and more famous after he shot down the 9 suns. People wanted him to be their master, and most of them were very kind and accepted by Hou Yi. Not every student of Hou Yi had good morality. Peng Meng, one such student, wanted to seize his elixir. One day, Hou Yi went out hunting with his students, but Peng Meng pretended to be ill and stayed at home. After making sure Hou Yi had gone, he went to Hou Yi's house and tried to force Chang'e to hand out the elixir. Chang'e knew that she couldn't defeat Peng Meng. In a moment of desperation, she took the elixir immediately. The elixir made her fly higher and higher. In the end, she stopped on the moon. She became immortal. Hou Yi was very sad when he received the bad news. He came back home and moved the table under the moon, preparing some food Chang'e liked on it. He hoped Chang'e could come back and stay with him. This custom was later followed by folk people, praying to the goddess Chang'e for good luck, and gradually formed the Mid-Autumn Festival. Eating moon cakes symbolizes family, reunion, and harmony. Yeah, so that was a pretty sad love story, right? But eating mooncakes is all about family gathering and family reunion. To be honest, this video took me 5 hours. It was the longest I have made so far on my TikTok. I hope you are watching this video with someone you love and you are enjoying it and it was worth your time. Thank you again for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.